Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we're going to learn some English.
Wow, makadakong.
Yes?
英語教えてくれますか？
Yes, of course.
トラクター。トラクター。Yes. 鶏。
Chicken. My chicken.
肉。
Meat.
野菜。
I forgot. Wait, let me remember. It's vegetables.
Vegetable。難しいな。そしてですね、畑。
Farmland.
ファームランド。ファームレン。いいね。畑は覚えないといかんな。あと、あなたは英語好きな言葉ある？
I like to say this. Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we're going to do something, okay?
OK, thank you. 今日はありがとうございました。
No problem.
アラビ君、
Nani?
英語喋れますか？What is this?
Water.
Do you like tractors?
Yes.
Wow.
Speaking of tractors, I'm here from the last video. Hello guys, what's up? Today we're going to learn with my baby. Today we're going to learn some English with my baby.
Okay.
It's actually not a baby, it's my little brother.
すごいな。
He's like beeping on the horn, I think. Yeah, that's a horn.
Beep, beep.
Beep beep.
What is this?
A horn and some lights.
What is this?
Steering wheel.
Steering wheel. Masa sih wheel?
Steering wheel.
What?
Steering wheel. This is a pedal.
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 Pedal kok bacanya pedal? Bisa aja orang-orang ini ya. Naon deui. What is this?
Phone holder. Phone holder.
Phone holder. Kandelan nabe phone holder. And then what is this?
Seat. I'm sitting on it.
なるほど。
I'm sitting on it. Bye-bye.
Do you like tractor?
Yes.
Babang mau like tractor?
Of course, yes.
Thank you.
See you in the next video, guys.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.